Real?
Real.
Easy.
Oh my goodness. You got a big effort. Real fast.
Been on the road so long, we got our own damn song. The Josh and Sean show is on.
Good morning, everybody.
It's 4:50. We're about to go fishing.
Josh, tell people why we're up at 5 in the morning after you were out drinking.
We're going fishing.
We gotta be quiet because there's a guy sleeping in that boat. We're on a boat right now, getting ready to go on Lake Michigan to fish for salmon. Very excited. We're very tired. That's awesome.
You want to run for lines? You want to run a high line? You want to run like a 3-color?
I'm just driving the boat. 2 knots.
Where are we headed?
Upwind, 3 speed.
Upwind,
3 speed.
3 speed. Headed upwind, 3 speed.
75.
Damn, 3 speed is slow.
Yeah. Real?
Real.
Easy.
Oh my goodness. You got a big effort. Real fast. Real fast. I got back daddy. That was me.
Hey Josh, tell people how you feel after your first big fish.
Pretty freaking amazing. Real amount of Sean.
Josh, come over here. Don't do anything crazy. We're just kind of going towards shore.
Going towards shore.
Yep. Don't
Right.
turn it sharp or anything.
Yeah. Yeah. What is that?
Steelhead. Watch the boat. You're driving it.
Josh.
Green release. All 3 hooks in.
Mine's got a weird shaped head. Just like me.
Is that a coho? Coho.
Yeah, I got one of the good fish. Yo, he's pretty too. You could really see him in the water, how shiny he was and stuff. Keep it straight, Josh.
Net.
Real.
Real.
Go back. There you go, buddy.
Oh, there you go, Reel. Don't stop reeling. Keep it up. There you go.
I want to give a determination face.
My forearm.
Oh my goodness. Alright. Lost your first one. Wow.
That was the funnest thing ever.
That was so cool. That's the boat we were on. There's a fish. This is a steely.
Steelhead.
Okay.
Cohos. Where is it in
Cohos.
Steele?
Muskegon.
Is that the Muskegon Airport?
Yeah.
Really?
That's so cool. You mind if I film you doing this for our YouTube channel?
You don't mind me slipping.
Oh. What's that, Josh?
Fish.
Jeff! It's only one bag. Look.
Yeah, I'm sure she does it.
You excited?
I want to smack you with this fish.
You'd ruin the whole thing of fish. Look at all this fish.
Welcome to Fruitport. We're happy in Fruitport.
Yo, watch last night's episode, watch tonight's episode, subscribe, like, share, everything. I love you guys.